A tape, gas and a rape. Let me tell you something, England.
My brother upon Anthony Miller, here show say Alkaline are the prince of dancehall right now. Alkaline reach a level 8.
Hurry up and come back. Cause the land victory said to her son.
Lightning me a ball pan Lee Miller them man, and them can't deny where me a say, because this a fact.
Alright, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Remember, if for your first time I check out Jam TV, people subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest content. Enough respect, alright? So in this episode, we have Vybz Kartel. I come out to talk about him European Tour dates, people. The teacher fully booked for Europe, Yeah, me I tell you, everywhere car up, everywhere people, me tell you. So we have to check out the boss and read about the tour dates and see what the latest updates. Also in this episode, we have Neako for you come out and say Alkaline does not deserve the Prince title for dancehall. We have to go check out the reason as to why Neako for you said that, people. We have Flex as well from TOK, now known as Double X. It appears he lost his mom, so we're gonna check out that tribute video there. He might do to his mother, you see me, people. Yeah, man. Also, we have Jahshii there, a Boom Sunday, RI birthday celebration, people. The G shell with the place. We have to go check out that clip now and see how him deal with it. Also, have a young artist by the name of Third Band. Him claims an Alkaline producer, Lee Miller, stole his singer and use it as a reference track for him. It song Spoil You. So we have to go check out the reason there, people, and hear how that going. Yeah, man, a serious thing that, so we have to hear how that really forward. But first, we kick it off with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, the boss has tell you about the European tour. Go through me, General.
A tape, gas and a rape. Let me tell you something, England. London sold out for September 4th. London sold out for September 5th. France, that are Paris, sold out. All of the people in Birmingham get on the ticket them before it's too late. We have at least 7 hours, maybe 8. And watch you now, Amsterdam, almost sold out. Vybz Kartel will be there, that's why I do the video for sure. So I will roll out. And remember, what is under my nose? The clouds.
So when you hear that, people, at the Gaza done that himself, the king of the dancehall, Vybz Kartel, He make you know, say London, 4th and the 5th, gone. The 2 show them sell off, people. Birmingham, hurry up, the tickets them are move, quick. Yeah, man, you have to go connect up. Amsterdam, almost gone. Paris, fully gone. See, I tell you, so the whole of Europe right now want to see teacher, because you don't know, so Europe was a teacher ground before him get the bus back in America, Yeah, man, so you don't know, so Europe, I got other special love this for Vybz Kartel. So G, I have to pull up the bus, I have to pull up and come shell with the place. Yeah, man, and normal when guys are pull up on the ground. Yeah, man, I tell you people, yeah, so we're going to look out for them show there, and we're there to provide the updates. Yeah, man, and normal, yeah, man, tell your family. Yeah, so now we check Flex from TOK, people, now known as Double X. Look like the G mother passed away, and them have a tribute ceremony to her. Him and BSC forward through. My condolences goes out to you, my G, and the whole of your family. We know say I don't know easy on deed right now, but I check out the clip and see how it go.
Hurry up and come back. Cause the land victory said to her son. The day life was faded. Living on the road, come back. He died from the bully of the gun. And our little boy, everybody, she said, help me. I said, Lord, help me. And then she looked into the sky, and she heard a voice inside. When you cry, I cry. I cry about you. When you sigh, I sigh. I cry about you. When you cry, I cry. This is the
So that a Double X and BSC from the superstar group TOK, people. As me I say like the G, Double X, his mother pass on and him decide to have a tribute concert for her and sing one of their favorite song them, which is Footprints from TOK. You know, a big song that people, when them song they sing, it a go move, that make you connect on one part. Yeah, man, it's not nothing easy to deal with the passing of a loved one. So my condolences again goes out to the family and to the artist, you see me? Yeah, man, and just go and stay strong. Now we're gonna segue over to Jahshii performance round there, Boom Sunday. RI birthday celebration and the G forward through for giving brother strength when I celebration when I time. So we'll check out the clip and see how it go, people.
I know how
can't stop that. You hear that? And now, man, I lie. They want to keep it short, that's how the people living. We are the few, can't defeat. Right, we're going to know my thing going on. That's why we want to help one of them. And from the heart, such a fire. They come in for better days, I'll be here when it's time. They say, I love me the life they have got me, not the time. With the ear, and back here to pass all of this, and they have feared me. Protect me so long, I'm going to tell us, you know, cha-cha-cha, come in, and just give me money, when they walk. We tell them so me, who we have made, Papa Body can't broke again. How we know about hard times, memories in the past of our replace me with tears in a weird book, alright, walk on, 25-year grind. When I forward from me on the worst youth, and tell me I tell you that, comforting was so cold, yo. We stuck in the girl, finish, now shut up, stop it. Alright, bro, singing on this part full of vibes still. Tell me, I tell you. Alright, bro, say me have to make my vibes be heard. But I get old still, I'm cold still, bro. You know what I think, stop it, man. Stop it. Oh, hold on, bro. You know I get cold up, man. I get old. I need to tell you, my brother. I tell you. What you see, in this thing here, when they spin the track, so nobody at all gonna see bad like him. And I tell you that from my brother. But I'm not tell you that because I'm a brother. 1040, I know you think go. It never hard for them keep up. We have a hard on the juggling. And what else so you don't think go? What do you know? Play the song now. That's yours. You have to tell your tongue.
So that a Jahshii run a Boom Sunday, people. Yeah, man. Harry Hype birthday celebration one night time, you know. So the G does forward through and well off a segment. Let me know what you think about the performance. Cause in my opinion, I rate the performance still in because I deliver the band fighter tune there. It never normal people. They can say him have flashbacks one night time, but when I lost him brother, cause you don't know him lose one him brother last year, I believe. So it does trigger a certain emotion and it does. I go in that tune, the system have to say, yo, dash. You know, a whole heap of emotion in that song there, you see me? Whole heap of tears, you know? Yeah, man, a powerful song that. So, that song there, you have to know if you deal with it more, you see me? Yeah, man. So, now we are check out Neako for your people. You must say Alkaline can't get the Dancehall Prince crown, you know? Yo, we can hear the reason and hear my deed.
So, I want to be real with me. Because me one brother from Anthony Miller, Jahshii said, Alkaline are the Prince of Dancehall right now. But me think him wrong. Me know him wrong. They can't say no Prince and you put popcorn. Popcorn are Prince of Dancehall, but I want to hear what you have to say. What you want to say? Because me I say popcorn are Prince of Dancehall, so what you want to say? Me need to know. One Prince of Dancehall a popcorn, man, and roll it. Alkaline reach a level 8.
So that the view and Neako fire up people. He must say Alkaline can't get the Dancehall Prince title. He must say him still no ground him rival in a music that a popcorn. Him still have to go find some more big tune. But I know one thing, when you agree with Neako fire and feel say your Alkaline can't get the Dancehall Prince title, or you feel say him already a crown prince of dancehall and just wait for him turn for forward up for him can be the king after Vybz Kartel. But I know one thing, people. But like we're up on the topic of Alkaline, we see a young artist by the name of Third Band fired out on Rickstam live stream first night. Big up Rickstam by the way, you know. Yeah, man, the young artist I fired out as an Alkaline producer at the time, Lee Miller, use him single as a reference track for making hit song Spoil You. Oh, a big reason that you know people are going to hear what the G say and see if there's any truth to it.
A lightning me a ball pan Lee Miller them, man, and them can't deny what me I say. Because this a fact. I see him out of Pile Black's Plazas. I never mix the song yet. And I stop because I did see him on entertainment report and thing. And I say, yo, producer see that song, you listen it, and him going and him carry him and the artist and him play it. And him say, blood clean DJ, that tune you bad. Me can get it and me say, me cannot give you my song. You see me? But me just record it, but you don't know him name Lee Miller. Me say, you know what? Me have it on thumb drive, you can hold that. And me give him the copy. Them time they are Lee Miller, Sunshine, the 5 of them apart. And them lock out the whole business. DJ Frost. Remember where me I come from. 5 of them alone could have voiced Alkaline. Lee Miller, the producer. Lee Miller build the rhythm them and Jordan. DJ Frost and Sunshine no build rhythm. Anyway now, Alkaline the dep on a trend where my disrespect be a woman. And everybody I say, yo, him does a do this and him does a do that. That is the reason why me build a song like this. When me a sweet, me say, alright, the whole honor do that. Me a go nice up my girls then. Real nigga we treat girls the sweetest. Gangsta for life like Suge Knight. You see me? The man take my song, me read him, upgrade your girl. Under the moonlight, the flow, everything. Him not need a third until you be the first born. You my baby, a third born you deserve. You see me? Everything when him take it, him rip it apart. We do on 3-4 songs. And the whole of them drop back to back. Alkaline was not spoil no girl. Me dash my money pan girl every time. Nah stop say girl for name cash. Nigga you never spoil no. Listen company sound like nothing like him a spoil no girl. At this him a this girl in a them song there and all him need a company. They not sound nothing like spoiler. Spoiler is a nice decent girl song. Like my song when me sing. You know, yes, I'm a whole complete. Listen the rhythm, them upgrade the rhythm and spoil the rhythm that, you know. While you're at the moment where black and delete and the direction where him did I go, that's not Alkaline. Germs and Drunkro, that part where them I go. And that's why I make my songs. You see, when me hear spoil you, I go and call him, and when I call him on the phone, I kind of pick it up. Come here, walk, come here and say, oh, that song you just sound like my song. And everything. So I'm going to call Lee Miller. This was like a week and a half after them. I see him person who mix my song and he mix it too. Done a friends for real, where him named the Red Boom. A Red Boom mix spoiler. I'm going to go to Bams and call Lee Miller and say, yo, the same artist the way you see at a while, man. And say, me can't know when a man a show me off. And me say, yo, where you deal with? And he must say, you know, say, me have a bag of people I work with you now.
So that's the reason a third band people. Let me know the thing now. You feel him a cap? Alright, you feel him sincere. Cause I must say after meeting Lee Miller down at Tower Hill, him give him a copy of theme song. And then now, after that, a week or two after that, him a hear theme elements them in a song from Alkaline, which is Spoil You. So I must say nothing more than the same song when him give Lee Miller, I hit them use as the reference track for make that hit song there. You feel him have a claim to that hit song there based on where my reason I say. Cause me hear some of my song play over Rickstorm live stream and it have certain elements in it, but me don't know if it do after Spoil You or before. We can't confirm that officially. So you wanna make me know in the comment section if you feel the G be sincere and he might be legit with him argument, or you just feel him just a cloud chase or him a cap. But I know what to think, people. So now we are check out a fire we see there on the Spanish Town Road yesterday. It tear down the bedding company and damage the gas station one night time. We check it out, people, and see what go on. Yeah, people, you see them flame their bun whole lot, you know. well read. Yo, the man says a bedding company catch fire one night time. This happened yesterday though. Yesterday on Spanish Town Road. So the excerpt reads the firefighters. Well, I'm gonna read it in the past tense as the fire already out. So the man said the firefighters currently put out a massive fire on Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of the Riverton City dump. The blaze began when a Fesco gas truck caught fire and then spread to the Macintosh bedding company. So you know, so the bedding company have all the materials conducive to make the flame burn hotter and longer. So you know, so that was a tough ordeal for the firefighters them in that situation there. Hope nobody never get injured or hurt cause a whole heap of flame and smoke that. Personally, me go through fighting a fire in my yard, a piece of my house it catch on fire one time and it never easy to deal with people. Yeah, me I tell you, smoke inhalation can kill any man. Yeah man, and I know now plus the heat off of the fire, it's serious and not just the fire alone, you know, the heat where it culminate in the space where it burn to, you know. So you have to keep that factor there in your mind. Yo, and I know for firefighter to go out and put out a fire and I know easy. So big up all firefighter in Jamaica and all firefighter worldwide. A serious piece of work now do. You see me I tell you? Yeah man. So now if you make it to the end of the vlog, may I tell you say big up in the people. Enough thanks for watch the entire episode. Remember to subscribe to the channel. We need a subscription there. Catch you in our next episode. Mad.